Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying compatibility. Make sure your phone model supports 5G and that it runs the latest firmware for radio stability. Once done, confirm your Globe SIM has 5G provisioning. Call or use the Globe One app to activate if needed. Then open Settings and set network mode or preferred network type to include 5G. This forces your device to search for 5G cells. Do this now so the phone can register on Globe's 5G network immediately. Once your device is set to 5G, select the Globe 5G network from available networks and reboot if the phone does not register right away. Reboot refreshes the SIM registration. Make sure APN is set to Internet. Globe SO data routing and billing are correct. If your phone supports band selection, prefer N78 or the local 5G bands Globe uses to get better performance. Finally, run a speed test and move to a window or outdoors to improve signal if speeds are low. To finish, monitor your data usage because 5G often uses more bandwidth. Adjust video quality or app updates to control consumption. If you encounter issues, reset network settings or power cycle and reinsert the SIM. This clears cached registration and often resolves attach failures. If problems persist, note your IMEI, exact error messages, and account details, then contact Globe support for provisioning checks. This gives them what they need to fix service quickly and gets you back on 5G.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.